Hey guys, I'm Matt Barge. I'm here to walk you through Marketing Copilot. This is our second MVP for what's known to be Cursor for Marketers, Marketing Copilot. You have an agent that works with you, does all kinds of things, manage your campaign, create a campaign. It's all in here in Marketing Copilot. It's our second MVP, so let's get started. First things first, we're in Overview Campaigns. You can see our campaigns in here. There are all kinds of different things that we can look at, ad groups, ads and assets, keywords. Gives us a lot of different functionality, ways to filter, by last 7 days, so on and so forth. So the idea here was to give them the interface that they expect, which is, we heard from customers, hey, I like the Google Ads interface. Let's go ahead and kind of keep that regular format and let them manually work on their ads inside this kind of a format. A lot of these different options, audiences, reports, all the standard things that you'd expect. Now down here is different tools. These are actually tools that we're working on. Other members of the team are working on copy optimizer, video generation, ad frauds. This is a way for you to access those different tools inside the system. Now that's all great, but what if we want to use an agent, which is what we're really good at? Let's go ahead and go over here to the agent panel. So we've got this AI Copilot, and this is where you can enter different prompts and get different responses from the agent. I'll go ahead and click on why is ROAS dropping. So if we wanted to know why ROAS is dropping, we can enter that here. You can see it's searching the information, it's getting to know, analytics on what the answer to that question is. Why this is really important is that we heard from customers so often is that we want some kind of AI way to work on our campaigns. It's just too arduous to do everything manually. So, awesome. Okay, great. So we got our agent response back, performance analysis. We've got ROAS dropped 18% yesterday due to a CPC spike. Okay, awesome. We've got this graph here. So it's able to present dynamic information within this agent. And we've got all kinds of information here, root cause analysis. We've even got suggestions. So they not only want answers to their questions, but they want suggestions, they want insights. So that's the regular interface just from the dashboard. We've also got this AI feature, which is an AI workspace. And this is an open panel, allows you to do all kinds of things. It's also voice activated. So if I said, create a new campaign for Nike focusing on runners $1,000 per day. Okay, awesome. We're gonna go ahead and send that to the agent. Now this workspace, that was fast. Okay, awesome. Successfully created the Nike Runners campaign on Google. So to wrap this up, this is Marketing Copilot. So we first started with Cursor for Marketers. We just wanted something more simple. Simple, easy to use, cleaner, kind of lighter. Marketers want something familiar, and so we built an interface that's a Google Ads-like interface that also has agent. So hope this is helpful, guys, and talk to you soon.